Hello guys, welcome to Learn Wise How. Welcome to Trigonometry Lecture 2. If starting, please subscribe to our channel and support us for making more videos. We are very close to complete 200 subscribers. If haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now to not miss new videos. Subscribe now. Yesterday in lecture 1 we discussed what is angle. From today units of measurement of angles, we will learn sexagesimal system and centesimal system. Firstly, sexagesimal system. It is a British system. In this system, the complete angle is divided into 360 equal parts. Each part is called degree. Above picture, we can observe 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Above 60 is like dividing into subparts. If 1 dash is present, it is called minute. If 2 dash are present, it is called second. We can compare it to clock. Here degree is like our hand. Minute is equal to minute hand. Second hand. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. If you want, you can find PDF of these systems values in description below. Let's go to centesimal system. It is French system. In this system, complete angle is divided into 400 equal parts. Above picture we can observe a centesimal system. Each unit is called grade. 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. 90 degrees is equal to 100 grades. Then 1 degree is equal to 100/90 grades is equal to 9 grades. 1 grade is equal to 90 by 100 degrees is equal to 10 degrees. The above formulas we use in conversions from sexagesimal to centesimal and centesimal to sexagesimal. We will learn about conversions and circular or radian measure in next lecture. Till that, subscribe to our channel now to support us. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.